In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust duration for text templates on CapCut Desktop. First, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you already have a video you're working on, just jump back into that project so you can make the change directly on your timeline. Next, add a text template to the timeline if it isn't there already. This is important because you need the text template placed in your project before you can change how long it stays on screen. After that, look at the timeline and locate the text template layer on the text track. This is the specific layer you'll be adjusting. Now click on the text template layer to select it. When it's selected, you'll be able to edit its timing more precisely. Move your cursor to either the left edge or the right edge of that text layer. Give it a second and wait for the resize cursor to appear. This cursor indicates that CapCut is ready to let you change the duration. Once you see the resize cursor, click and hold the edge of the text layer. Then drag the edge to the right if you want the text to remain visible for a longer period of time. If you want the text to disappear sooner, drag the edge to the left to shorten its duration. This adjustment changes how long the text template stays on screen in relation to the rest of your video. When you're satisfied with the new length, release the mouse button. Then take a look at the updated text layer on the timeline so you can visually confirm that it now covers the amount of time you want. After that, click the play button to preview your video. Watching it back is the best way to make sure the text appears for the desired amount of time and feels natural within the edit. If it goes by too quickly or stays too long, simply make additional adjustments by repeating the same drag motion on the edge of the text layer. Once the timing looks right in the preview, you can confirm that the text template duration has been successfully updated. That's all it takes to adjust text template duration in CapCut Desktop, and it's a simple edit that can make your video feel much more polished and easier to follow.